Hi friends, welcome back to chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss about atomic structure. Atom. It is the basic or the minute particle. Here if you take any, like let's take this is an sugar particle. If we divide this sugar like the small pieces, again small pieces to 4 parts. Here if we divide, the last part which will be remained is atom. Here atom is the smallest unit in which matter can be divided without release of electrically charged particles. It is also the smallest unit of matter that has characteristic properties of chemical element. Here atom has the totally properties of the element. So this atom is called as building block of chemistry. Here there are so much subatomic particles in atom. These are proton, neutron, electron and nucleus. Here atomic structure refers to structure of atom comprising nucleus in center in which protons positively charged and neutrons neutrally charged, electrons are negatively charged. Now protons and neutrons, these are the subatomic particles where protons have positive charge and neutrons have neutral charge. These both are present inside the nucleus. If this will be the nucleus, here they have illustrated that this will be the nucleus and here proton and this will be the neutron. Next, electron. Electron is negatively charged subatomic particle that can be either bound or to an atom or not bound. Here these electrons are responsible for chemical bonding. About this you will be learning in the chemical bonding chapter, which is upcoming or next video. Next, discovery of subatomic particles in atom. Electron. Firstly, electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson in 1897 based on his experiments in which was done a discharge tube. He done this discovery of electron in discharge tube, which is also known as Crookes tube, which was discovered by William Crookes, the great scientist. Here in this discharge tube all air was removed and only hydrogen gas was taken in the discharge tube at 0.01 mm per Hg. At this low pressure the electron was found. Here there were supply of cathode rays. These cathode rays contains the negative particles. Here more voltage, this is the voltage generator. This will be the cathode, which is negatively charged side and anode positively charged side. This anode was covered with a compound that's zinc sulfate layer, which also we will see in the bulbs or any glowing objects, that if anything striked on this, it gives some sparkles. Here this was zinc sulfate layer or fluorescent layer was applied here, so any movement of subatomic particles can be found. Here from cathode rays, these are negative, so this moved to the positive side, that's anode, where we find the green sparks of the atom, which is named as electrons, because these are negatively charged particles which move towards positively charged discharge tube. Next, proton. Proton was discovered by E. Goldstein in 1886 based on J.J. Thomson's experiment. He stated that every positive energy has equals negative energy. In 1917, Rutherford discovered or confirmed the proton with alpha particle scattering experiment. Now let's know about alpha particle scattering experiment. In this experiment, Rutherford found both nucleus and proton. Here in this experiment, he taken a thin gold foil sheet of 100 nanometer thickness of gold, 100 nanometers, or we can tell 0.1 0.00001 centimeter. This much thick gold sheet he was taken. Why only gold? Means because gold is a highly malleable metal, and in order to study he taken alpha particles. These alpha particles are the particles of helium atom. These are the particles of helium atom where the electrons are removed. Only that atom has protons. That particles in the helium are called alpha particles. He sent the particles through the gold foil sheet. Most of the particles went on straight, but very few particles deflected back. There he finded that there is a central charged or massed object which has mass and it is of positive charge, because these protons are positive charged and here the nucleus is positive charged. The same charges will repel. So he concluded that there is a nucleus in which there is proton and neutron situated. Now neutron. This neutron was discovered by James Chadwick in 1932. He conducted an experiment in which he bombarded a beryllium with alpha particles from natural radioactive decay of polonium. Polonium is an element where we can find only the alpha particles. From here he deployed these rays which passed through beryllium, and most of rays were left behind and only protons encountered in the Geiger counter. Here these particles have no charge, so these were left on here. So these particles are known as neutrons. Thank you. Please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, that's Study to IIT. If you have any doubts related to this topic, post me in the comment box. I will help you to check it out. Thank you. Have a great day.